Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on the Chevy Trax 1.4 liter turbo. The air filter is located right here on the right side of the engine compartment. The next thing I'm going to do is remove these two filler head screws. Then I'm going to disengage from the back by lifting from the front and then pulling forward. And screw the two filler head screws. They stay in place. Do not remove them. Just back them out all the way. Once you screw them, lift up from the front and pull forward. As you can see, the screw does not come out unless you force them out. Next, there's no need to disconnect the mass airflow sensor. You have enough space to reach in and remove the air filter. Once you remove the air filter, inspect the mass airflow sensor for any debris and the inside of the air box. If there's any debris, there's a chance to clean it then. Once you completed that, install the new air filter. In this vehicle, I'm using the same one. It's in good condition. Then hinge it from the back and then close it up. And then tighten the screws. And you have completed the air filter replacement.